Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen and the 351st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Before we begin, I want to thank all you. We have reached 15,000 subscribers. Thank you again for watching and tuning in. I'm so grateful. Now we're on to 16,000. Well, today is a very special day. It is my mama's birthday. She turned the big 6-0. Woohoo! So today I'm gonna bake her a confetti birthday cake. And my friends, this cake is the bomb.com. It's gonna be so moist, delicious, simple and easy to make. And we're gonna put a vanilla cream cheese frosting on it. With some sprinkles on top. This is the ultimate birthday dessert. Everybody's gonna fall in love with this cake. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my confetti cupcakes and pancakes recipe and my previous video, grasshopper pie. I'll also post links to those down below in the description box. So grab your sprinkles, your cake pans, and your cream cheese sugar, because we're about to bake some confetti birthday cake magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 1.5 cups of white sugar. And we're going to add in 1.5 cups of half and half, which is half milk, half heavy cream at room temperature. 1 cup of canola oil. 3 extra large eggs at room temperature. 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of pure almond extract. And we're going to mix everything until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, next we're going to slowly add in 3.5 cups of sun-rising flour that's sifted. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alright my friends, this is what the cake batter looks like. Luscious and whipped. I can smell the vanilla and the almond extract. Alright, that looks great. Now it's time to add in the last ingredient. We're going to fold in 1 cup of rainbow sprinkles or rainbow jimmies and fold them in until they're well incorporated. Ooh, look at those colors. Gonna be so colorful. My mama's gonna love it. Alright my friends, the cake batter is done. See how simple and easy it was? And it's all in the dump in the bowl recipe. Alright, now we're ready to pour the batter into the pans. We're going to pour them into 3 9-inch round cake pans that are greased with baking spray. Alright my friends, now we're going to shake them and bang them to get some of the air bubbles. Alright, now we're ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, I have taken my cakes out of the oven. And it smells incredible up in this kitchen. See how nice and golden brown they are? You can see the sprinkles. Alright, so now I'm going to let the cakes cool completely. And while that's happening, we can get started on the luscious vanilla cream cheese frosting. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese at room temperature and 1 cup, which is 2 sticks of unsalted butter, also at room temperature. And we're going to cream all this until it's fluffy. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Mix that in. Alright my friends, now we're going to slowly add in 2 pounds of powdered sugar that's sifted, which is 2 16-ounce boxes. I'm going to put it on low so that way you won't get powdered sugar all over you. Alright my friends, the cakes is nice and cool. Now we're ready to frost them. Gonna take a dollop of the icing. Add a little bit more. We're gonna ice it all over. Alright my friends, I'm through icing my top cakes. So now we're gonna ice the side all over, like so. Alright my friends, I'm through icing the cake. So now it's time for the final step. We're gonna add some rainbow sprinkles right on top. Alright my friends, there you have it. Confetti birthday cake. Pretty and festive. That looks marvelous. Alright, I'm about to serve this to my mama, and then we'll give it a taste. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy. Whoa! Yay! Happy birthday, Mama! Alright, Mama, enjoy your cake.
Alright, I've been waiting.
How you like it?
Good.
Thank you. It's a confetti cake. How's your birthday going so far?
Wonderful, wonderful.
That's good. Well, I'm glad you like it. Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you.
I love you.
Love you too.
Get it, Mama. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and be safe.